Yes, today this is a short one on the EGR vacuum solenoid. I'm going to be replacing here. I think you have a snapshot of it here. This is my Rock Auto order. Yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like here. EGR vacuum solenoid. And I'll be able to show you where it's at. Matter of fact, I already got this screw off. Let's see what we got. Yeah. There we go. Boom. There it is. Two screws. I've already lubricated the two screws with some plaster, so we should be able to get it off. You have a connection here, and you have two vacuum connections at the bottom. So I think they should line up. So these do come with a cancer warning sticker on them, so you might want to wash your hands after you use them. There's the two connections here. And you have the two vacuum hoses at the bottom and the electrical connection there. Yep, this is a direct replacement. Boom. Let's see if I can get it off now. There it is. Bam, that comes off. This truck has, let's see, 250,000 miles on it. So the replacing this is cheap insurance. Especially if you're going to be taking a long trip in an old car like this. About 250,000 miles on these parts. So 10-15 buck replacement, you know, cheap insurance. They could go out anytime. Here, let's see. Yeah, now we got easy access to it. We have one connector on top. Press it in, pull it off. Also inspect this wire. As you can see, look at that. This wire is frayed. So you can either cut it, resolder it, or do something like that, but it's definitely frayed. I'm probably gonna wrap it in tape, electrical tape. Next, two vacuum hoses at the bottom, right here. Get these off. Just walk them off of there. There you go. So the connector's off and the vacuum line's off. So all we have is the two screws on both sides of the primer. You can see. The socket is an 8mm. There we go. She's free at last. Got the old one off, we got the new one in position. Perfect. Okay, there you go. Those two vacuum holes at the bottom are in. You just tighten these two screws here. Bam and bam. You need to hook up the, I did repair that wire that bare wire with some tape. Connect the connector. There we go. She's done.